Can I help you, sweetheart? Can we put one of these in your mouth? What do you think of that? Huh? What do you think of those puffs? Yeah, you're not too wild about those, are you? Can you keep it in your mouth? Oh, is it stuck to your face? Is it stuck to your face? Did it come out again, or is it still in there? Those are good, huh? You want to try some more? Where'd the other one go? May. May. Hey, can you give me a smile? May. 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 Hey, sweetheart. May. What are you looking at, sweetheart? Hi. Did you find the other puff? You did. Look at you. Oh, did you drop it again? That's pretty dexterous of you. Those are tough to hold on to because they're so little. Uh-oh, it fell onto the ground. Should I get you some more? It's gone, sweetheart. May? Hey. May? Hey, did you just blow a snot bubble? Wow, we're getting all kinds of action. Hey, can I have a smile, please? Hey. May. May, can I have a smile? Okay, discovery time, not smiling time. Got some words?